Linear equations in one variable. Equation. Introduction. An algebraic equation is equality of algebraic expression involving variables and constants. In this, left side of the equality sign is called LHS and right side of the equality sign is called RHS of the equation. The value of the equation is called solution. Linear equation. If the degree of an equation is 1, then it is called a linear equation. Example, 2x minus 7 equal to 35, 4x minus 1 equal to 2x plus 5, etc. Simple equation. An equation having only one variable is called a simple equation. It is also called linear equation in one variable. It is in the form of ax plus by equal to 0 or ax equal to b. Example, 2x minus 7 equal to 35, 4x plus 6 equal to 8. Solving of simple equation. Problem. Solve the equation 7x minus 9 equal to 16. Solution. Given equation is 7x minus 9 equal to 16. Implies 7x equal to 16 plus 9. Transporting 9 to RHS. 7x equal to 25. X equal to 25 by 7. Transporting 7 to RHS. Therefore, the solution of 7x minus 9 equal to 16 is x equal to 25 by 7. Problem. Solve 2x by 3 equal to 18. Solution. Given equation is 2x by 3 equal to 18. 2x equal to 18 into 3. Transporting 3 to RHS. 2x equal to 54. X equal to 54 by 2. Transporting 2 to RHS. X equal to 27. Therefore, the solution of 2x by 3 equal to 18 is x equal to 27. Problem. If L is parallel to M, find the value of x. Solution. Here L is parallel to M and P is transversal. Therefore, 3x plus 20 degrees plus 5x minus 8 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of the interior angles on the same side of a transversal. 3x plus 20 degrees plus 5x minus 8 equal to 180 degrees. 8x plus 12 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 8x equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. 8x equal to 168 degrees. X equal to 168 degrees by 8. X equal to 21 degrees. Problem. The difference between two numbers is 8. If 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. Find the number. Solution. Smaller number is x. Bigger number is x plus 8. If z is added to the bigger number x plus 8, it is equal to 3 times of smaller number x. That is, x plus 8 plus 2 equal to 3x. X plus 10 equal to 3x. 10 equal to 3x minus x. 10 equal to 2x. X equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5. Therefore, smaller number is 5, bigger number is 5 plus 8 equal to 13. Problem. A man walks 10 kilometers, then travels a certain distance by train and then by bus and far as twice by the train. If the whole journey is of 70 kilometers, how far did he travel by train? Solution. Walking distance equal to 10 kilometers. Travel by train equal to x kilometers. Travel by bus equal to 2x kilometers. Total journey equal to 70 kilometers. That is 10 plus x plus 2x equal to 70. 10 plus 3x equal to 70. 3x equal to 70 minus 10. X equal to 60 by 3. X equal to 20. So, he travelled 20 kilometers by train. Problem. The ages of Rahul and Lakshmi are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? Solution. The ages of Rahul and Lakshmi are 5x and 7x. After 4 years, their total age equal to 56. That is 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 equal to 56. 12x plus 8 equal to 56. 12x equal to 56 minus 8. X equal to 48 by 12 equal to 4. Present age of Rahul equal to 5x equal to 5 into 4 equal to 20. Present age of Lakshmi equal to 7x equal to 7 into 4 equal to 28. Problem. A sum of 500 is in the form of denominations of rupees 5 and rupees 10. If the total number of notes is 90, find the number of notes of each denomination. Hint. Let the number of 5 rupee notes be x. Then the number of 10 rupee notes equal to 90 minus x. X plus 90 minus x equal to 90. Solution. X into 5 plus 90 minus x into 10 equal to 500 implies 5x plus 900 minus 10x equal to 500 implies 900 minus 500 equal to 5x implies 400 equal to 5x implies x equal to 400 by 5 equal to 80. So 5 rupee notes equal to 80. 10 rupee notes equal to 90 minus x equal to 90 minus 80 equal to 10. Solving equations that has variables on both sides. Problem. In the figure, L is parallel to M and P is transversal. Find the value of x. Solution. It is given that L is parallel to M and P is transversal. Therefore, angle EFB equal to angle FGD corresponding angles. 5x degrees equal to 2x plus 24 degrees. 5x minus 2x equal to 24. 3x equal to 24 implies x equal to 24 by 3 implies x equal to 8. Problem. A number consists of two digits whose sum is 9. If 27 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed. Find the number. Solution. Let the digit at units place be x. Then the digit at tens place equal to 9 minus x. Therefore, number 10 into 9 minus x plus x equal to 90 minus 10x plus x implies 90 minus 9x, equation number 1. Now, number obtained by reversing the digit. 10 into x plus 9 minus x equal to 10x plus 9 minus x implies 9x plus 9, equation number 2. It is given that 27 is subtracted from the number, then its digits are reversed. Therefore, number minus 27 equal to number obtained by reversing of digits. Implies 90 minus 9x minus 27 equal to 9x plus 9. Implies 63 minus 9x equal to 9x plus 9 implies 63 minus 9 equal to 9x plus 9x implies 54 equal to 18x implies x equal to 54 by 18 equal to 3. By substituting the x value, we get 90 minus 9 into 3 equal to 90 minus 27 equal to 63. Problem. Mary is twice older than her sister. In 5 years' time, she will be 2 years older than her sister. Find how old are they both now. Solution. We can represent the above value in a table. Present age of Mary is 2x. Present age of Mary's sister is x. After 5 years, Mary's age is 2x plus 5 and Mary's sister's age is x plus 5. But as given that after 5 years, Mary is 2 years older than her sister. 2x plus 5 equal to x plus 5 plus 2. 2x plus 5 equal to x plus 7. 2x minus x equal to 7 minus 5. X equal to 2. So, present age of Mary is 4 years and her sister is 2 years. Reducing equation to simple form. Problem. Solve x by 2 minus 1 by 4 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. Solution. Given that x by 2 minus 1 by 4 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. X by 2 minus x by 3 equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Transporting x by 3 to LHS and 1 by 4 to RHS. 3x minus 2x whole by 6 equal to 2 plus 1 whole by 4. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. X by 6 equal to 3 by 4 implies x equal to 3 by 4 into 6. Therefore, x equal to 9 by 2. Problem. Solve 2x minus 3 whole by 3x plus 2 equal to minus 2 by 3. Solution. Given that 2x minus 3 whole by 3x plus 2 equal to minus 2 by 3. 3 into 2x minus 3 equal to minus 2 into 3x plus 2. Transporting both. 6x minus 9 equal to minus 6x minus 4. 6x plus 6x equal to 9 minus 4. 12x equal to 5 implies x equal to 5 by 12. Problem. In class of 40 pupils, the number of girls is 3/5 of the number of boys. Find the number of boys and girls. Solution. Boys equal to x, then girls equal to 3 by 5x. Total number of pupils equal to 40. Therefore, x by 1 plus 3x by 5 equal to 40. 5x plus 3x whole by 5 equal to 40. Implies 8x by 5 equal to 40. Implies 8x equal to 40 into 5. Implies 8x equal to 200. Implies x equal to 25. Therefore, number of boys equal to 25. Number of girls equal to 3 by 5 into 5 equal to 15. Problem. By selling a radio for rupees 903, a shopkeeper gains 5%. Find the cost price of the radio. Solution. Cost price of radio equal to x. Percentage of gain equal to 5%. Selling price equal to 903. X plus 5% of x equal to 903. X plus 5x by 100 equal to 903 implies 100x plus 5x whole by 100 equal to 903 implies 105x by 100 equal to 903 implies x equal to 903 into 100 whole by 105 implies x equal to 860. Problem. If a train runs at 40 km per hour, it reaches its destination late by 11 minutes. But if it runs at 50 km per hour, it is late by 5 minutes only. Find the distance to be covered by a train. Solution. Let the distance be x kilometers. Therefore, time taken to cover x kilometers at 40 km per hour equal to x by 40 per hour. Time taken to cover x kilometers at 50 km per hour equal to x by 50 per hour. But it is given that the difference between two train timings equal to 6 minutes equal to 6 by 60 per hour. Therefore, x by 40 minus x by 50 equal to 6 by 60. 5x minus 4x whole by 200 equal to 6 by 60 implies x by 200 equal to 6 by 60 implies x equal to 6 by 60 into 200 equal to 20. Therefore, x equal to 20 kilometers. Problem. Shekhar gives a quarter of his sweets to Renu and gives 5 of his sweets to Raju. He has 7 sweets left. How many did he have to start with? Solution. He started with x number of sweets. Then Renu gets 1 by 4th of x. Raju gets 5 sweets. Balance sweets equal to 7. Therefore, x equal to x by 4 plus 5 by 1 plus 7 by 1. X equal to x plus 20 plus 28 whole by 4 implies x equal to x plus 48 whole by 4 implies 4x equal to x plus 48 implies 4x minus x equal to 48 implies 3x equal to 48 implies x equal to 16.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.